Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math question here. So this is from the absolute value topic. It's another interesting question. So let's solve it. If absolute value of 4x minus 4 is equal to 112, what is the positive value of x minus 1? So you know that from the rules of absolute value, you should know that you can factor this. Let me factor out the 4 because 4 is common in 4x and minus 4, right? So we'll just factor this out, and this will be 112. Let me change the color of the pen. So we can just put this 4 times outside of the absolute value. This will be x minus 1 is equal to 112. So to isolate the absolute value of x minus 1, we are required to divide both sides of the equation by 4. So the absolute value of x minus 1 is equal to, when you divide 112 by 4, you can do it, use your calculator if you like, or you can do it manually as well. Absolute value of x minus 1 will be equal to 28. To solve this absolute value equations, there are two possibilities. One of them that the value will be positive, while it will be negative 28. So x minus 1 is equal to negative 28. I'm going to use it on the left side. And it's going to be x minus 1 is equal to positive 28. If you will solve them separately, to isolate the x, we're just supposed to add 1 both sides of the equation on the right side. So x will be 29. And over here on the left side, we had it negative 1. Same thing, plus 1. And x will be equal to negative 28. Negative 28 plus 1. Sometimes students are getting confused about this. Is it, hocam, is the answer is negative 29, negative 27, so, or positive 27. They get confused about these. So it's better to pay attention. Negative 28 plus 1. If the number is 1 positive, 1 negative, then you do subtraction. You're going to take away 1 from 28, which is 27, and you're going to keep the greatest number sign. This gives you negative 27 for this one. But you've been asked to find positive value of this. So this is x, remember. You've been asked the value of x minus 1 though. So I wanted to show you the solution. The positive value of x minus 1 is 28. The answer of this question is 28, not the 29. 29 is the solution for the x. So I just wanted to show you absolute values equations solutions. That's why I just went down extra steps. Thank you for watching the video. I wish you good luck on your exams and the tests, and have a good one. Thank you.